Well guys, we had a good run. This is it. This is the last video in this room because I'm moving. What? That's right, Sea Lemon is moving. You won't be seeing this background much longer. Hopefully that clickbait didn't scare you and hopefully you're still subscribed. I'm still making videos on this channel. I just wanted to keep you updated on what's going on in my life. And I am moving into a better space to film with better lighting. I am so excited for better lighting. Although the light is not too bad right now, this new space has better lighting and it's just overall a better place to film and make videos. So this month, if my uploads seem a little inconsistent, that's why. It's because I'm moving, so bear with me. I'll have a new office to figure out. I gotta set up internet, gotta do all that stuff. So just please bear with me and I will keep you updated on my social links. So make sure you are following me on there. I'll most likely be making Instagram stories of my process, just showing you a little bit on where I am with the move. I also plan to post a video that goes into more detail on what you can expect this year on this channel. There's going to be some changes, but nothing too drastic. So look out for that, and I'll probably post more stuff on the community tab just to get your guys' feedback on more stuff. I am a little sad to leave this room, not too sad, but just a little to leave this room because I spent so many years developing Sea Lemon in this room, growing this channel in this room, so it will always have a little special place in my heart. The first year I started making videos on Sea Lemon, it was in my old apartment on my dining room table. I didn't really have even an office to film in. Then I moved and this little room became my office. You can see from my older videos the walls started blank and they just continued to get more artwork on them over the years. So this new place I'm moving into is a fresh start and I welcome it, and I hope you guys will join me and stick around. Stay subscribed to my channel, and if you haven't already, be sure to subscribe to my channel. And I want to thank you guys for sticking around this channel, for staying subscribed, because you've really helped this whole thing grow and just make it into what it is. So thank you for sticking around, being a C sub, joining the Lemon fam, whatever you want to call it. Also, I will be starting from scratch with a new blank wall behind me. So I don't know if I want to keep what's up on there now and it'll just be in a different setting. Tell me in the comments if you have any ideas for a new background. I'm kind of thinking of having a desk in front of me. I could never do that in this room because there's just no space. I don't know, stay tuned. You'll be seeing a different setting altogether. Goodbye, room. Goodbye. Just really saying goodbye to the walls. All this stuff is coming along with me. Also, Kona's coming too. That's right, you're coming with me too, aren't you? Say goodbye, Kona. Say goodbye to this room, Kona. Oh my god, you're heavy. You don't look like a big dog, but you're so heavy. Maybe I'm just weak. Maybe it's me. You can also follow Kona on her own Instagram page at Kona the Kelpie. Gosh, I really need to lift more weights. Oh. Okay, goodbye.